Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to test it out as well. It's a Max. This is Max 1901-20 SFX. This is a low profile. As you can see, it's a dual pump. We're going to do an unboxing on it. MAXORITY. We said sedan, light truck, SUV, sport car. Maximize efficiency with priority focus. It's a 3-ton, as I said, low profile hydraulic floor jack. So here we go. I had already cut this off. I had already cut this other part as well. So this is how it looks. You already know. Manual right here tells you everything. Remove this, remove the other one. That's how it looks. Put that there so that don't fly away. Put this over there so that don't fly away either. Got the plate right here, so you just sit it down like in the middle. It's rubber. But yeah, 3-ton, really heavy. I don't know how much the weight is, but we're gonna test it out by lifting the Avalon over there. So let's get it.
Right. So, see this part where I'm twisting?
Yeah.
So that's the loosening.
Going left is loose and right is tight.
Right, because if I do this,
yeah, it's gonna
you want this to lock in.
Yeah, that's true.
So
you see, we don't want it to bend either, because sometimes they bend.
Right. So just twist it. That's so when you're trying to drag it, or let's say you want to pick it up.
Yeah. It holds it. All right, that should be good. It's locked.
It is. It's tight. Just gotta put the pad. Are you going to record, or you want to record? Which one you want to do?
I was giving you the camera. Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Yep, good angle. It's off the ground. Huh? It's off the ground. You're good.
Yep. Really good. Awesome. That was quick.
Still got more pumping you can do if you want to go higher.
Yeah.
Just to show how low.
Awesome work.
It's about 4 inches off the ground.
Yeah, not bad. So it works. Brand new.
Don't forget to tell them it's a magnet thing on the cover.
Or the rubber piece?
No. What's in front of it? Where you took the little piece out, the black piece, that's a magnet. Yeah, that's magnet.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep. So if you when you're taking the wheels off, you can put the magnet on. I mean, you can take the lug nuts and put it right on there.
Okay.
And hold it.
Put it down. Perfect. So it works, guys. As you can see, it works. Looks good. So far so good. You know, we give it maybe 6 months or so, depends on the use.
This is a magnet.
Not bad. So
That's when you need to put grease in it. The needle's right there, the nipple.
right here.
Yep.
I should have some in the garage somewhere. Gotta find it. I had bought from
And you know that lever is for, right?
nope, from Harbor Freight.
Step on it. You do like this. Go ahead.
What, they drop it down or?
Let me pull it out. Step on it that way.
So it give you
quick pump. Remember when you call a rapid pump? That's
yeah.
what that is. So instead of you doing like this
and pumping, you
so
could
you're
just.
in a tight spot, like
Oh
right
my
over there,
gosh,
step
this
on
is
there.
awesome. Awesome. You guys see this? You guys see what I'm doing? Good stuff.
Rapid pump.
Awesome. I love that. I love that feature. It's real cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. You know,
Try to do it on the car real quick too.
I gotta bend back down
No, don't
again.
do it, don't do it. This is gonna be tough.
Yeah. What I was saying. So yeah, awesome jack. It was like about 120 or so.
139 after tax.
Like 140 after tax.
Beating Harbor Freight prices.
And yeah, not bad. And it was online. What?
eBay.
It was eBay? Yeah, eBay. So far so good. You know, it's brand new. So we just did a test. Quick unboxing, quick test. Show you guys how to set it up and everything. Goes right here. You just press right here. You can release this, pull this out. You got to unscrew that bolt right here to take this out of there. And yeah.
If you're in a tight spot, you just step on the pump.
If you're in the tight spot, you just step on the pump, just like how I got it up. You know, good stuff. It's good to have a good proper jack. And if anything with the Lexus, like I have to like jack it up, I don't have to use that scissors bullshit to try to, you know, the scissors jack. I hate the scissors jack. So this is gonna be like 2-3 pumps. It'll be up in the air in no time. No issue, no problem. Perfect. It works.
We'll do a video of that next on RX.
Yeah,
Just
no
pump it up
issue.
from the back and see how it works.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Do you have this jack? Do you own this jack? Is this a good jack? Because I don't know, it's new to me. We just bought it. You know, we used to go for another brand name, but got to use what we have and use what we can afford. So far so good. It looks good. You feel me? We don't know how long it's gonna last, but hey, so far it's strong, steady, you know, quick pump. It got the job done. It picks up the car. And this is what we're going to use to actually remove the axle and the in and out of tie rods from our car to get the job done. And I can't wait. I can't wait to bring that video towards you guys to show you guys how the job done, how we're going to get the job done. And we're going to do it in the nighttime. Yeah. So that video coming soon. Stay tuned. You know. Yeah. Peace out to y'all until I upload another video. For real. Peace, bye-bye, take care, God bless. We out of here, man. Peace.